Now we're getting ready for the springtime, so we're going to show you how to de-winterize your RV. So when you're taking it back out of storage, what can you do to get back on the road?
The first thing you're going to do is make sure that you have water in your RV. You can either fill it with fresh water or connect to city water. To check to see if there's water in your water heater, you're going to flip this tab over here and then water should be flowing right out.
This is a really critical step in the process. Critical! You need to make sure there's water flowing through your hot water heater before you turn on the hot water heater, or you could burn out some of your electrical components. Once you have water in your system, you want to make sure that the water runs through all of your pipes to drain out all the pink stuff.
When your fresh water tank is full with water, you're going to want to turn on the water pump, and this is going to bring up the water through the pipes to reach your faucet. The last step you want to do is run some water through your system and make sure that all the pink stuff and bleach is gone through your system, and then refill it with some drinkable water.
You'll want to check your battery is still in good condition and check your tire pressure, pump if needed. And then check all of the electrical and gas components and appliances throughout your RV. Lastly, give it a nice thorough cleaning and you're good to go. Let us know what you want to see next.